Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will check how to listen to your microphone in Windows 11. So let's start. So firstly, you have to just go to the search bar, and in search bar you have to just type this command mmsys.cpl. Then you have to just go to the control panel item, and at here you have to just go to the recording tab right beside the playback. So in recording tab, you have to check the speakerphone, the microphone that you have been connected. As you can see, here is the only microphone, internal microphone that I have selected. So I have to just write just a single click on it, and then I have to just go to the properties. And in properties, I have to just go to the listen tab. And in listen tab, I have to just check this option, listen to this device. So by checking this, I can listen this microphone. So then you have to just click on apply and then okay. So after checking this, so you have to uncheck this option as well. As you can see now, I am doing the unchecking, and then I have to just select apply and then okay. So if you like my videos, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.